You know, Bill's in a tough spot because he has a professional interest in this forecast.
Well,
and
personal.
a personal
yeah,
one.
And a personal one, yeah, with the tailgating and ball game tomorrow. But
yeah. Because you melt in the rain, I've heard.
Well, because I'm wonderfully sweet, obviously, so yes. But nah, never mind. I was going to go a Wizard of Oz thing there and decided that would probably be a bad idea.
Yeah, that would be a bad idea.
That would be a bad idea. I shall go before the flying monkeys arrive. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and tell. Oh, did I just get a look? Oh my goodness. Okay, 6:15, and we are looking at a couple of showers out there, and some thunder is mixed in with these as well, so that may delay a few of the high school games. You are looking at one of them going from northern Fleming County on up into Mason County up there around Ewing. That continues up to just about Maysville. We've got other showers, southern part of Clark County. These are drifting up toward Winchester. Western part there of Madison County, most of Garrett County seeing some pretty heavy rain at this point. That continues back to at least some lighter rain on Danville, but it poured in Danville a little while ago. You're seeing there from Valley View down to Baldwin, not quite to Richmond yet, but it's getting close. Down to Kirksville, you guys are dealing with that, and just past Lancaster at this point. So we should have quit forecasting on Wednesday, because if you were with us on Wednesday, and of course you were, we were talking about maybe a hint of some optimism, which turned to pessimism yesterday, which had reality whap us upside the head today. Rain is looking like a real good bet for us. Ponchos and rain jackets will be necessities for the game. Not necessarily raining during the game, but the chance is going to be there. In fact, it's a pretty good chance, and it's wet for the holiday weekend and beyond. So your high school games, mainly cloudy for a lot of folks. Very isolated thunder showers will be around. We'll be in the low 80s. Humid at halftime, mid 70s late in the game. But again, lightning could be affecting some of you. And we've been watching the lightning strikes accumulating here. Garrett up into Madison County, so, and up even a few of them into Clark County at this point. So again, some folks may be in the lightning protocols at this point. So tomorrow, for tailgating, tomorrow afternoon, there are going to be rain and storms in the area. Not necessarily over Kroger Field, but they're going to be around. And the same idea runs into the kickoff and figured by postgame after a win, what rain? It's just rain at that point. But again, if there's lightning going on, you need to be prepared. So we go to our lightning tracker here. We go from noon tomorrow and beyond. So again, we're seeing the yellows and oranges. Lightning is more likely. In fact, we get into some reds. That means these could be some pretty vicious lightning storms. If you are tailgating tomorrow, if you're out on Lake Cumberland or Cave Run or Harrington and there's lightning and thunder going on, you need to get into safe port. If you're at a tailgate, you can't be in tents. That's just not a safe place to be in the event of lightning. So you need to get back in your vehicles or have permanent shelter where you can get to. Just be aware of all that stuff going on for us tomorrow. And the possibility, not only do we have lightning, but we could see some real heavy rain out of these storms. Heavy rain risk tomorrow does include Lexington and then points on to the south and southwest. So we are looking at, again, some downpours mixed in with all this. And by the time we're through Sunday, we could be pushing 1.5 inches, 2 inches of rain over a lot of real estate. So again, it looks to be a pretty wet scenario. Low pressure. If you want to blame something, blame it. So you are looking at the moisture flow coming up this way. You've got trigger mechanisms around, and you see the showers and storms becoming more numerous for us. Starting at noon tomorrow, we'll get you on into the afternoon. Again, some of that rain may be locally heavy. We are talking about the possibility of some stronger storms. At this point, our in-house modeling is trying to lessen the rain chance tomorrow evening. And it's certainly good news if that comes to pass. But again, a lot of the other modeling is saying, well, no, the rain chances are going to hang into the evening. Sunday, hey, you know what? That was so much fun tomorrow. Let's do it all over again with showers and thunderstorms, likely with locally heavy rain, a possibility for us on Sunday. So there's your holiday weekend with really high rain chances. There's your work week with really low rain chances. And you're looking out in literally the middle of nowhere, and that is Hurricane Danielle. It does have a nice eye feature to it. Spain is there. We're over here. It's somewhere near the Azores at this point. So that's your setup out there in the Atlantic, but it's our first hurricane of the season. Mostly cloudy, that very isolated shower chance tonight. It's warm and humid. We're in the upper 60s tomorrow. Rain and storms are likely. Some locally heavy rain is a possibility. We'll be in the low 80s. Around 80 Sunday, upper 70s on Monday, both days with high rain chances. Next week, seasonably mild and rain chances just about every day. Keith, are you ready for the rain?